Hi, I'm going to show you how to create autocorrect uh, pages and do like an escape room with it. So you start drawing, start teaching. Let's say this is page number 1. On page number 1, you cannot uh, put any passwords. And then you go to page number 2, right? On the page number 2, uh, what we can do is that we can put some text boxes, autocorrect text boxes. So I'll go to tools, we can pick a text box, right? Maybe do 2 text boxes which are worth 2 points each, and maybe a drop zone. So we can also put a drop zone which is again worth 2 points, right? And then I can put, let's say, 100 block, 110 block for the drop zone. And that's it. And then you can resize all of these and make this smaller, make this smaller. Let's say this one is students can clone. This one also students can clone, right? And on these ones we can specify the answers first. So you right click and say add answers and points. This is worth 2 points. Let's say the answer is A, B, C. And the second one is worth 2 points too. And you say answer is D, E, F. And for the drop zone, I like to use the infinite cloner. Put the 100 block, I want to make 120, let's say. And then this is worth 2 points too. So I add answers and points. This is worth 2 points. And that's it. So now I have 6 points total. So I want at least, let's say 60% right to go to the next page. Right? And then the last page is the final page where I put, you have escape. Good job. Right? And then now on the, you open the sidebar. From going from page number 1 to 2, we just want to say add a password. Right? So the password is password. So you can put a puzzle on page number 1 that will get them this password. Right? And then on the, from going to page from page 2 to 3, we want to have them solve the text boxes. Right? So it's better to do all of this when you're on page number 1, so you don't run into these issues. You locked it, so, and then when you want to go from page 2 to 3, you add another password, but this time we say we want a score instead. So we want at least, let's say, 60% score, and then that's it, and save. Right? Now we have the escape room ready. So you have 3 pages, both 2 and 3 are locked. Now I just invite the student to this page. Right? So we have both pages. Now I can invite a fake student, show you what they look like. So they'll be asked for the name. So on page number 1 they can end up properly, right? And then when we go to page number 2, page number 3, maybe I didn't use the right link. Try that one more time. Okay, so page number, yeah, it's better. So page number 1, and then you go to page number 2. You'll be asked for a they'll be asked for a password. If they enter the wrong password, it'll stay on that page, and then if they enter the right password, they'll be allowed to go to the next page. Right, on the next page they have this activity that they have to perform. So let's say they put A, B, C, and D, E, A, and then let's say wait, instead of the right answers, oh, I forgot to put a, we can put a autocorrect link here as well. So if we go to page number 2, let's put a autocorrect link so they can do the corrections themselves. So we go to add link, say autocorrect, right, and then save it. So they'll be able to run the autocorrect on their own without us doing it. Okay, so then there's DEA, and now instead of 120, which is the right answer, let's just put 110 and see what happens. Right, when they click this autocorrect, it says finish correction, but they only got 33%, which is below what they need to go to the next page. So if they try to go to the next page, it says score is too low, so at least need 60%. So let's fix that. You can fix the thing again and then run autocorrect one more time. Right, now it's above 60%. Now you should be able to go to page number 3. That's so easy. Thank you.